Yeah, it's your boy Victor in Mine, aka Classic. It's funny because exactly a year ago, exactly a year ago, around Christmas time, while I was in college, doing my hairstyling program, and somebody said, "Oh, it's Christmas break tomorrow," and I didn't realize because my college don't really give break. If they do give break, it's like either one day, one holiday, or a 2 day. That's it. So for Christmas break, we only got probably like couple days off and back to school again. So yeah, around the a day before Christmas, they were like, "It's Christmas break tomorrow," and I'm like, Christmas break, eh? Christ, I said Christ mask day. It's very funny. It's not even funny, I should say. It's the way things work, the way you manifesting, and how the universe speak to you. I'm like, oh, Christmas Day. Oh, it's really Christ mask day. That's what I said, Christ mask. Didn't realize that. Listen, a few months later on, we'll be wearing a mask. So I say that to say this that once you're in tune with the universe, these messages just come to you without you realizing it sometime. It's like you say things sometime out of spontaneous, but that's really happening. And then the universe would show you, and things just manifest. Sometimes I just think certain things and it just manifests. Because once you're manifesting, that's when you can either think something. That's why we have to be careful how we think sometimes, especially when you're a person that's manifesting. Like whatever thoughts you have in your mind, it comes to light, it comes to action. So we have to be careful once you reach to a certain point of manifestation because you see, they're trying to put a mask onto your consciousness. By we wearing this mask, it's actually a mask on our consciousness. They want to close that down. So, but they can't stop it. It's an awakening that they can't stop, but they're going to try to have your consciousness locked down. And what's going on, the Christ consciousness, is what they're trying to stop, prevent. Um, so I will be coming out with a video about the vaccination and the spiritual meaning behind that because it's tied in with this awakening consciousness. So just realize that, man, they're trying to put on a mask on our consciousness. So stay tuned. It's your boy again with a quick one. Victory is your mind. Always remember that. They cannot stop this. Your mind, they're after your minds. Yeah, so I was sorry about that. I had to come back on here and finish my statement because I realized that there's something important that I really wanted to point out that even in this 2020, which some say is 2020 vision, I actually won an award at my college, the 2020 for the 2020 Barber's Mastery Award, and that's like that's a message to me, a confirmation that I'm in a war. We are in a war. You see, even in my photo right there, I didn't even want to wear the mask. You see, it was like down to my nose. Even if I really have to wear the mask, if I have to go get a grocery or something, I always just keep the mask below my nose. I don't cover my nose. But as you can see, at the time my school was so strict about the mask, so it was almost covered. But the point is, the award that I won was significant because it's a confirmation to me from the universe, from the spiritual uh, creator, that listen, just look at that. If you take off the D from award, what do you get? Exactly, you get a war. That's right. This a war, just like great Bob Marley said, the late great. This a war until the philosophy that all one race superior and another inferior. So listen, the war is on humanity though, and we must recognize that and be aware of that. That this is the consciousness that they're after, your mind they're after, and also another thing is that I've been going by this lockdown for years. This company, Bruce Lockdown, and it realized that they want to lock us down right now is another significance because like everything is just manifesting, and it shows me that this is a confirmation that something spiritual is really this is a spiritual battle. It's not a physical. It's never a physical. The physical only manifests, but just look out for that video and stay tuned. All right, it's your boy Victory Mind. Please like, share, and subscribe, and have a great holiday despite everything. Peace out.